doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, boy, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the hang right now. You say, do I wanna watch you, do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once, come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, you don't ever come to me. How she hit me with it, come and see me for once, come and see me for once. Oh, y'all don't ever come to me, y'all don't ever come to me. Why you gotta start, girl, why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart, don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and he still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things that make me feel the way I make it feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. It's decorated. This thing's getting one-sided, I can't even lie to you. Like, yeah. What she talking about is come and see me. Come and see me for once. Don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me.
This is what they say, do it up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act, atmosphere, big head, college park, harbor home, hummus smoking homegrown, choking on that homegrown, they pop their southern cooking, they got the Dallas looking, thinking I was easy, I can see it, that's when I say no, Shawty can't handle this, ever got that fire. Round here we fight slow. We keep it good and you should know. Getting drunk up in the club, we get down. All my ladies to the floor. Handle it, baby, bag it up. Getting drunk up in the club, we get down. Ready, take a new whip, paint strip into a bowling ball. Still smoke, money smoke, wood grain on the wall. Ice skate, big chase, fellas call them black ball. Those cuts, braids, long gangsters, bottom line. They got their southern cooking, they got the Dallas looking. Wishing I was easy, I can see it. That's when I say no. Shawty can't handle this, ever got that body like round here we ride slow. Keep it good and you should know, you should know. Getting crunk up in the club, we get low, get low. Ladies, all my ladies to the floor. Handle it, baby, bag it up, yeah. In the club,
yeah.
Get low.
Southern style, get wild, old school, coming down in a different color whip. Picture perfect, you might wanna take a flick. Call up Jazzy, tell him pop the bottles, cause we got another hit. Wanna go platinum, I'm who you should get. Ludacris on the track, get back, trick switch on the like I'm flexing steel. Same right every time, hot song dumped on, cause he ever got sex appeal. And I keep the meanest, cleanest, baddest, spinning on stainless wheels. Could care less about your genius, I bump your status, I keep the stainless steel. Drunk battling, what's happening high? I don't even think I need the speed. Bass traveling, keeps crackling high. Turn it up and make the speakers bleed. Dirty South, we ballin', dog. And never think about falling, dog. Ghetto harmonizing, surprising, running back cause the song is cool.
Round here we fighting slow. We keep it good and you should know. Getting drunk up in the club, we get low. All my ladies to the floor. Handle it, ladies, bag it
on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight. Look, you know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide, your other nigga tired. Talk about you like you never leave his side, but I don't really buy it. Me, I'm moving quiet, all the things you try, and let's just keep it private. Tell me, should I cut these other girls right out of my life, cause we never decided. Tell me how you feel inside. You a real ass woman and I like it. Yeah. I need you inspired, I need you excited, I don't wanna fight. Yeah. I figure out you figure out me, we both a different breed. I'm following your lead, I ask you what you need, you say guaranteed. I mean, you say that like it's easy. You never believe me. Told ya I got keys for these other girls sleeping. Oh no, girl, I'm sleepy. Sometimes I'm so indecisive, but you're a real ass woman and I like it. I don't wanna fight it.
Running back to the strip club, I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today.